Alright, so in this video we're going to look about the sets, right? So what is set? So as we heard from mathematics, that set is basically the collection of unordered items, right? And their no duplicates is allowed, right? So these things we know that, right? So similarly, the Python provides a data set kind of sets, right? So you can see here, duplicate is not allowed, element cannot be changed but can be added or removed, right? Since there is no indexing concept, so it does not support slicing and indexing. So just that is briefly about these things. So actually we actually have looked at about the list, right? And tuples, that's set, right? So you know that basically list is changeable, right? You can changeable, changeable, and unchangeable. Here you can add the data, right? Add or remove, right? But cannot change the element. And this you can also add and remove here too. And tuples, once you create tuples, you can never add any elements or remove any elements, right? Sorry, you can remove the elements, but you can never add the element, right? So this is about it, and let's take a look for examples, right? But examples. So, okay, so here we have look. So first we have to create the set. So start from curly braces, Python, uh, Quran. Right, so these are the three elements. That's it, right? And you have to remember that this set basically uses the curly braces, right? So now, what are the methods which are available if you want to look at what it? So you can see it here by this way. So you can see here add, clear, copy, difference, update, discard, is intersection. Sorry, if you're not seeing this, you let use in 95. Right? This is 95 there. So this is set we have to go. And now we are going to look at the methods available. So add methods available, right? Clear method is available, and the copy method is available. The difference is also available. Difference is basically similar difference which we have seen in mathematics, right? So discard is available, intersection is available, intersection update is disjoint is available, subset is available, superset is available, pop, remove, and symmetric difference is also available, union update. So all the methods which are available inside mathematically, Python also provide these options here, right? Which says the next thing that you can for x is set index, right? So by this way you can access all the elements. Right? So let's see here. So, but you can actually the problem with set is it is not going to give you index value, right? So 0, 1, 2, as you have seen in list and tuples. So there you can use the index value, and using index value you can fetch the particular item. But instead, there is no such rules that are available, right? So either you have to access all the elements or don't access anything, and you can add more things, right? So thanks for watching.